Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind?
Hello friends, and welcome back to another Cook With Me video. Tonight I'm going to be sharing a 9-point baked ziti recipe. So this is an easy recipe to make. It's really good and it's very kid friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this recipe we're going to need 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. I'm using the part skim. We're going to need some ziti noodles or whatever pasta you want to use, and 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. I'm using part skim ricotta as well, and then some like marinara sauce. So I have, this is going to be meatless, so I just have marinara sauce here, but you could use whatever sauce you want to. This is the 0-point marinara sauce that I like to use, that I make, and I shared that in my lasagna rolls video. So I will link that below. But if you didn't use this, then you would add points for the sauce. But using the ingredients that you see here, this is a 9-point dinner. Before I move on, I just want to clarify the ingredients because I ended up changing them, and I changed them in my recipe, and I've been making it this way, and it works fine. So it is 1 pound of ziti cooked, like I showed, but it's only going to be 2 cups or 1 bag of part skim mozzarella, as well as 15 ounces of ricotta cheese and 24 ounces of 0-point marinara or whatever marinara you choose. And made like this is actually 8 points rather than 9 points. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350, and we're going to go ahead and start our water for our noodles so we can get the noodles cooked and drained.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and days.
This is a really quick and easy recipe that's also very flexible because you could use whatever pasta you want to. You could add vegetables like spinach to this if you wanted to, and you also could add meat or any kind of meat that you wanted to. You could shred up chicken, you could use ground beef, you could use ground turkey or chicken if you wanted to do that as well.
For days of old lang syne, and here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness.
Got our noodles cooked and drained. We're going to add the ricotta cheese. We're going to add our sauce. We're going to add half of our mozzarella cheese. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below. Alright, now that this is mixed, I'm just going to put it into my baking dish, and we're going to bake this for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, we're going to top with some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna bake this, and then when it comes out, I'm gonna chop up some fresh basil to top it with. We're gonna go ahead and bake this for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. dinner is ready. We're gonna top it with a little bit of fresh basil, and that's going to be that. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you try the recipe, let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye.